Hello everybody, once again welcome to Tyvok with Martin. So this today file contain two circle pattern. The first one is 9 nested circle from 20 to 100 millimeters, and the second one is 9 circles in a row with 150 millimeters spaced with 5 millimeter between them. So import directly into Lightburns, RDWorks, or AutoCADs. Use outline for rings or a single circle for solid discs. You can also use. Just do remember all the dimensions are in millimeters. Thank you so much. So now let's start it. So the cutting process of Arcylic has been completed. Let me show you the result. So this is the final result. A 100-watt CO2, 100-watt CO2 cutter can be used to cut acrylic of 5 millimeter in the size. So you just need to turn off the air assistance. What will be the benefit if you turn off the air assistance? The acrylic will be aesthetically and unique. The edges will be pleasing, you can see, and you just need to set the speed at 5 to 7 millimeter per second with the power of 90 to 95%. In this case you can get the edges like this, transparent and pleasing edges you can get. But you can, if you will not turn off the air assistance, speed can be increased. You can increase the speed, but the result will be not transparent. The edges will be not transparent. So that's all about today video. You just need to stay connected with us for daily upcoming videos, and we will share all over the works by Tyvok CO2 K1 laser engraver in further details and in upcoming videos. Thank you so much.